Welcome, fellow adventurers. Have you ever dreamed of setting off on an epic solo journey? Ready to chart your own course, discover new places, and meet incredible people? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into solo adventure. Are you gearing up for an international adventure? Here's the checklist: passport and visas. Check your passport's validity. Most countries require it to be valid for at least 6 months beyond your return date. And don't forget to research and secure any necessary visas for your destination. Check passport validity. Apply for necessary visas. Make copies of your passport and viz next up, flights and accommodations. Book flights and accommodation in advance. Choose accommodations with good solo traveler reviews. Keep digital and printed copies of your bookings. Health and safety are crucial, especially when you're flying solo. Visit Doctor Travel Clinic. Get necessary vaccinations, medications. Purchase travel insurance. Have a list of emergency contacts and the local emergency number for your destination. Now, let's talk money. Get a no foreign fee credit card or Forex Card, carry local currency, and a backup card time to pack for your adventure. Pack light but smart. Focus on essentials: clothing, toiletries, and gadgets. Don't forget a travel adapter, chargers, and any special items like medication or a travel pillow. Next point is documents. Gather all important documents: passport, visas, insurance, bookings, and emergency contacts. Make copies and store them separately from the originals. Let's get your tech sorted. Download maps and travel apps. Ensure phone is unlocked for local SIMs. Bring a portable charger. Embrace your destination by learning a bit about the local culture. Learn key phrases in the local language. Understand local customs and etiquette. Research cultural norms. Let's make sure you stay connected and safe on your journey. Share itinerary with trusted contacts. Arrange regular check-ins. Know local emergency contacts. Almost ready to go. Let's wrap up with a few final touches. And don't forget to bring some entertainment for the journey: books, music, or podcasts. The ultimate solo international travel checklist. You're now prepared for an adventure of a lifetime. So grab your passport, take a deep breath, and get ready to explore the world on your own terms. Safe travels, adventurer!